SDpanel wall sandwich panel system installation steps. First, level the walls. Then, install parapet wall flashing. 2 layers of silica gel should be applied at the longitudinal joints of the flashing to enhance waterproofing. Lay EPDM sealing and insulating shims at the vertical joint locations of the wall purlins. The start bracket can then be installed, followed by the anti-bridge sealing insulation strip. Then, we can install the wall panels. After the installation of the first row of wall panels, the insulation strip will be extruded and deformed to fill the gap. After the installation of the wall panels, it is necessary to use to connect the wall panels to the steel structure. And our practice is to fix the wall panels to the transverse purlins by screws through spacers. The installation of the remaining wall panels is completed sequentially in the back. Wall panels are completed in sections and need to be treated at the wall panel joint locations. The vertical joints are filled with sealing insulation strips and vertical metal decorative strips are installed on the outside, which ensures the thermal insulation and waterproof performance of the wall. In the sunny corner of the wall, the use of special production of the whole corner plate, so that the 2 sides of the wall as a whole, to ensure the overall waterproof performance of the wall, and reflect the beautiful architectural effect.